We don't drive, nigga, we swerve. Nigga, we don't get high, nigga, we serve. Man, we don't drive, nigga, we just swerve. Man, we don't get high, man, we serve. Man, we don't drive, nigga, we just swerve. Man, we don't get high, but nigga, we serve. Make that money, get paid while we drunk on that serve. But if the niggas hate me, word. Man, I live this shit, no, man, them niggas try to rob me, come through my back door, thinking that I wasn't gon' pop him. Had that 9P90 up in my hand, ready to bust a stand. My crown as a man, shit, I'd rather pay my own bills, don't even when he help. Enemies wanna talk, but they know that it's on for self. Man, I told the demons that they chasing me, so I gotta pace myself. Why they tryna get me now? I don't need nobody else. These niggas out here claim they was my friends, but when I'm broke, they disappear just like a ghost. Man, I don't even know who to trust, but who to hang with. Shit real, but I told them niggas this, and this is how the fuck I feel. Now I'm holding still, P90 to his ribs. If he moving, if he flinch, then he up out of here. Gone in the ambulance, he in the ICU, tenant. Hell yeah, night through. IV to his neck and nose, so now that nigga loose. Hell yeah, I walk up in that bitch and snatch loose all his tubes. I'm real up in this bitch, cackalack up in this shit. Ain't no stopping me, a bit up in the game, y'all heard me spit. I told them niggas, dawg, I never change. I'ma be me, I'ma be me. You know what I mean? My cousin told me to chill out cause I was rapping a little bit too much. But all the niggas know I ain't gon' change. I'ma be me till I'm dead in the game. Niggas gon' remember me for being a living legend. Them niggas gon' remember me in the industry for being a living legend. I done told them niggas this, man, I'm in heaven looking down. I'm a living legend, man, I'm gonna bust around for my niggas uptown. And downtown, east side, west side, south side, how I get down. I'm a living legend, man, my mama bred a thoroughbred, and she never cut my bloodline, that's what I said. I clutch your tech, I busted necks, I smoke niggas like cigarettes. Man, I get rid of plenty stress up on my damn neck. Man, my Allah do look out, I grab them gas and watch me pop them, dumping on him and his partner, now he licking it. The parking lot of McDonald's, ain't no niggas that's gonna stop me. Hop back in that silver Honda, ain't no niggas about to stop me. I'm real up in this bitch, I done told them niggas this. So if you listen to my lyrics, then you know that I ain't right shit. I'm a bite, yeah, worse than the pit. But I grab up on that iron if you thinking that I ain't gon' spit. I'm a living legend. I'm a living legend. When I'm up in heaven looking down, I know that I done made it. God say don't even worry about it, take care of your babies. So I ain't got no stress on me, so fuck y'all haters. I'm a living legend, I'm a living legend. I'm up in heaven looking down, God got my back. He told me don't worry about it, cause he take care of my babies. So them niggas know I'm like, fuck y'all haters. I'm a living legend looking down from heaven. God got my back, he told me that he gon' take care of my babies. So I say, motherfuck all y'all haters. I'm real in this shit, don't make me split open potatoes. Hit a nigga cantaloupe, this shit no joke, I let it smoke. I smoke them niggas off the shit that I spoke. Like exhaust pipes when it's breathing exhaust smoke. Them niggas know that he done grabbed the 4-5 and let go. This a robbery, don't stop to see. The niggas know that poppy see. Hey, you had them niggas on some buns like a poppy seed. If the niggas want me, we take this shit right to the street. IDL, WILD, all the way to the WEST. Yeah. Cracking nigga.